Welcome to this in-depth overview of Breeze Wallet, the cutting-edge cryptocurrency wallet designed to make crypto management simple, secure, and efficient. Breeze Wallet stands out by focusing on user privacy and seamless transactions, providing a robust solution for managing your digital assets without compromising your personal information. With a sleek interface and advanced technology, it's tailored for both beginners and experienced crypto users looking for convenience and control. The wallet offers top-tier privacy, ensuring that your transactions and data remain confidential. Using blockchain technology, Breeze Wallet supports fast, secure, and untraceable transactions, giving you peace of mind while managing your funds. Its compatibility with multiple cryptocurrencies makes it versatile, allowing you to handle various digital assets effortlessly within one platform. The user experience is straightforward, with intuitive navigation that simplifies tasks like sending, receiving, and storing cryptocurrencies. The wallet also supports integration with Lightning Network, enabling near-instant transactions with minimal fees. This makes Breeze Wallet a preferred choice for those who value speed and cost efficiency. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Security is another highlight of Breeze Wallet. Advanced encryption and private key management ensure your funds are safe from unauthorized access. By putting control of the private keys in your hands, Breeze Wallet eliminates reliance on third parties, giving you full ownership of your assets. The wallet's design is mobile-first, but it also provides excellent functionality on desktop platforms. Regular updates ensure compatibility with evolving blockchain protocols and keep your transactions smooth and uninterrupted. Whether you're trading, hodling, or just exploring the crypto world, Breeze Wallet is equipped to handle your needs with ease. Ready to take control of your crypto assets? Try Breeze Wallet today and unlock a new level of convenience and security in managing your digital finances. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful guides and updates on the latest cryptocurrency tools.